So here is our automatic testing line here. We can see the robot is putting this ATS into the fixed equipment, and then all of these equipment are being tested. You can see that here. This is, I think this is their voltage or current, maybe. You see, they're fixed. And then let's move on to the next stage. You can say here, oh, there's no machine. Oh, there's no machine as well. And all of these are only one machine was tested. And let's move on. We can see this is the whole testing line here. And this is the program that we set for this automatic transfer switch testing line. And at the end of this automatic line, our workers will be in charge of the installation and packing.